Hey, if you want to connect a wireless mouse into your Realme 10, you can do this quite easily. So first of all, you will have to be sure that actually your mouse is compatible with your phone, and you will have to turn on your mouse. That's how it looks in my case, and you will have to enter for the pairing mode. So I just have to click and hold this Bluetooth button for like 3 to 4 seconds, and after this, after holding, you will just be in the pairing mode. So now on your phone, on your Realme 10, you will have to navigate into the Bluetooth settings, click on the switcher, and from the available devices list, you will have to select your mouse. So that's how it looks in my case. I have to accept the pairing, and take a look right now. I can easily use this mouse with my Realme 10. There's also a second method how we can connect this mouse if this method actually is not working for you. So you can actually find this adapter. In the most cases, you will get your mouse with this adapter, and you will have to connect this adapter into your phone. But for sure, you cannot do this with the USB-A. So, for example, you will need. Let me just find my adapter. Okay, here it is. So you will have to get this adapter, the USB-A into the USB-C. Now you have to plug it just right here. Then connect it into your USB-C port, and also there's a chance that you will have to navigate into the settings of your Realme 10, and you will have to enable the OTG connection. So click on the search, enable the OTG, click on the switcher, and now let's see if it works. As you can see, it is working. So there's like two methods how we can do this, and that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.